Leslie Ann Mendoza, Piskal, paano po yung abogado na may disbarment case na nagbibintang ng isang senador ay nagnanakaw po ng oras para sa taong bayan? Thanks po. Like what I said po, dapat verified po yung statement mo bago ka mag-akusa. Kahit na public official pa yung inaakusahan mo, you cannot hide behind po the defense na public official yan. Pwede yang sawayin, pwede yang i-criticize dahil public official. Related yan sa kanyang duties as a public official. Yes, for purposes of cyber libel po, you can hide behind that defense, no, na yung mga kritisismo mo laban sa public official, for as long as related sa kanyang duties as a public officer, pwede yan, no? It needs actual malice. Walang presumption of malice. But kung abogado ka, tapos nagbigay ka ng statement na nagnanakaw ng oras yung isang public official, tapos hindi mo pala verify, hindi ka nag-research, and it was found out na mali pala yung accusation mo, well, you can escape liability po for cyber libel. You cannot escape liability for stating that word for purposes of disciplinary action before the Supreme Court. Yung abogado ngayon, bawal na po talaga magsabi ng mga statements na nag-aakusa na walang basihan. So careful po dapat ang lawyer. Kaya nga sa bagong Code of Professional Responsibility and Accountability, meron na pong separate section doon, no? Ang tawag doon, responsible use of social media. Pinapaalahanan na talaga, no, yung mga lawyers to be careful and be prudent in making unverified statements in social media.